Welcome ladies and gentlemen and everybody, another vlog, and I'm using now for the first time the voiceover function of the editing program. I've never used that before and I will just try it. Normally I prefer just to film, but sometimes here I think I have to explain something. So I'm driving here in the very west of Germany through the Hurtgenforest. I made already several videos there. That's where the Americans and the Germans were fighting in the Second World War. In the end of the Second World War, 1944, in the winter. I'm driving now to the border of Belgium. Here's a small city called Simmerath. Then is the city of Monschau on the left side, and here's the sign Belgium. 600 meters, the border sign, and then I will now talk again from the camera. Oh, Belgium. Welcome to Belgium.
Straßenverlauf von N669 noch 7 Kilometer folgen.
Welcome to the east of Belgium. That's the border here. That was the border. In the east of Belgium, German is the main language. And they use also French and Flemish there in this country. They have 3 languages. So, ladies and gentlemen and everybody, I'm now here in Belgium, in east of Belgium, and they are hunting today. There are everywhere signs about hunting, and I saw something on the road here and I want to have a look. There's this monument here. I'm in the middle of nowhere, and here's a monument about a soldier, à la mémoire du capitaine défisé aux frontières, 10th of May 1940. I don't know who was that guy, but he was probably fighting here, the captain. And I'm driving now to a viewpoint in Belgium. Yeah, I found some information. That was a corporal, not a captain. He was member of the bicycle border police there, and he was shot there by the Germans. He was the first victim of the Belgian people, and he was brought to a hospital, but unfortunately he passed away, and they built this sign there that he will not be forgotten, and it is very tragic all, of course. In the beginning of the video I was driving through the Hurtgenforest, Hürtgenwald, to Belgium, and because I was there in this area, everywhere there are signs about hunting today, and I want to see a viewpoint that is at the Hohe Fen, das Hohe Fen, the Haute-Fange. I think, je pense en français c'est Haute-Fange, das Hohe Fen. That is an area here in the east of Belgium. And here I found a map. Ostbelgien, Ostkantons, Canton de l'Est. Welcome in the powerful garden of Europe. And here's also a warning sign, danger, the trees might collapse and you may not leave the path. Here there are a lot of signs in this nature reserve. Well, we are somewhere here, and I think I will put a map inside the video, then you know where I am. So ladies and gentlemen and everybody, now I'm starting my vlog. There are no people around. I am here in an ice cold weather. I insert the map in the video, and I had no idea it would be so cold. Whoa. This is an interesting place here, Signal de Botrange, and that is the highest point of Belgium since 1919. Yeah, welcome to the highest point of Belgium, and that is absolutely unplanned. I was around here on a business trip in this area, and yeah, it is everywhere very slippery. And I had also planned to drive to the Formula 1 track in Spa-Francorchamps, but I will do that another time. I should have prepared more for this vlog, but it is so freezing cold here that I will wear my gloves now. Oh. In summer it must be very nice. Now it's also nice, but it's very cold, and I'm here in the snow, and there's a viewpoint, a panoramic viewpoint. I have to clean the camera now here. There's a panoramic viewpoint here somewhere, and there's a restaurant and this tower. And I had no idea that this is the highest point of Belgium since 1919. But I saw on Google Maps that here there must be also a panoramic viewpoint. I tried to go there now. I'm wearing my sneakers, so I must be careful that I don't break my leg. So here, the viewpoint should be somewhere here behind. And no drones here. If you use a drone, 250 euros. I've never seen that there's such a warning with directly here with the fee you have to pay. Yeah, what can I say? I'm not driving, I'm not on a bike, I have no dog. I have no children, no, I'm not on a horse, I have no bike. Whatever. Oh, it's ice cold. And before I heard in the radio that in Belgium you don't need winter tires. There is no law that you have to use winter tires. In Germany we have a law that you need winter tires. And I have winter tires, so I'm fine. There's a snowman. And here at the end of this, I'm not really sure, but I think at the end of this street here, there's a viewpoint. Before we saw the tower there, and I'm glad that I took my camera with me, because if I'm driving around and I'm not talking all the time, only sometimes talking to customers on the phone. But if you don't talk when you're doing a trip, then you get I get crazy. So I'm glad I have my camera. That's also why I'm doing all these videos, because then I can talk to someone. And here is a viewpoint. I think that is it. I think that is the viewpoint. I'm wondering why there are no drones allowed here, because who cares if you're here flying your drone? Here, no drone, 250 euros fee. Who cares if you're here around with a drone? So then this must be here the viewpoint, I guess. But I'm wearing only my baseball cap. I'm only wearing my cap here. I should wear. I have another cap, and in the car, but I forgot it now. Yeah, here that is the viewpoint. So here you can see the beautiful panoramic view of the Reserve Naturelle Domaniale de Botrange in Wallonia. And yeah, here you can see there's a black chicken here, the butterfly, flowers, the spider, and Liège is also here somewhere. That is here the sign from Liège. I was at this awesome train station there. Many people are not watching these videos because maybe it's boring, but for me it's very interesting. And to the persons who are watching that, I hope you enjoy it. It is very cold here. That is here the viewpoint. I will go another time to Spa-Francorchamps. I wanted to drive there now. That is only like 30 minutes from here. And then have a look, but it's ice cold. And I will go now back to my car. I have enjoyed here now this beautiful view. It is a very unplanned vlog because I was around in this area and I drove 1 hour to come here. But I will stop this trip now here. I've spoken enough also. And it is now end of November and here it's really winter. So leave a like and subscribe and thumbs up and everything. And see you next time. Another destination. Oh, it is wet. Another destination, another vlog. It is freezing cold here, and I don't understand why in Belgium there's no law that you need winter wheels, winter tires, because here under these conditions, if you drive here with summer wheels, it's a nightmare. With winter wheels, it's only good if you have deep profile. But just heard that in the Belgian radio that there is no law that they have to use winter wheels. That's crazy. And I had hoped that the restaurant would be here maybe open, but it's closed on Thursday. I took some food with me in the car, and it's no problem. And that is here the situation. Here's also a tourist information office. It's open. Yeah. I will only take a picture here for my thumbnail. So I just talked with a woman from the tourist office and she said it's not possible to climb here this tower. And she showed me some pictures. There was an antenna on it, but they removed it. She showed me some pictures on her phone when it's nice weather. And then here is another, she told me that is also famous here, the stairs. That are the famous stairs. I didn't film it when I was talking to her because it was just a quick talk. And I have to take a look here what is this. The route of commemoration. Yeah, that is here very interesting. It's so slippery here. Yeah, on the 18th of May 1940, this terrible guy here, he took this area. And here is the stairs, but no, I don't go there. It's too slippery here. I mean, I could hold my hand here, but yeah, that is the highest point of Belgium there. The ground is 694 meters, and then they built these 6-meter high stairs to reach 700, that they have the number 700 meters. And the lady from the tourist office told me also that it's not only the highest point of Belgium, but of all 3 Benelux countries, Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg. And it was a very historic moment here. I was very emotional. And the vlog is almost over now. Thanks for watching. Now my final words. I will not go there now because I don't want to break my legs here or my neck. And when it's nice weather, she said there are so many tourists here. But it is so ice cold that I will leave now. And I will go another time to Spa-Francorchamps to the Formula 1 track because I wanted to take a picture there from the mountain, and then that makes no sense because the weather is too bad. And then that's it now finally. Okay, adios, bye bye. There's also a public bus, so we can also even go there by public transport. So now we are back in Germany.